One of the main reasons that a lawnmower won't start at the beginning of the season is because of fuel that's been left in the fuel tank and in the carburetor over winter. So if your lawnmower won't start, just empty your fuel tank, pull off the fuel pipe at the bottom, drain your fuel tank, and if you have a float bowl type carburetor, just drop the float bowl off and let the fuel out. Because as well as dirt and debris in the fuel that can accumulate, moisture is also a problem. Then obviously when you go and try and start the lawnmower, it's likely to suck some of that water into the engine. Another thing that can happen is the mechanical linkage to the choke or the cold start. Because the lawnmower's been left for many months, and usually in cold, sometimes damp conditions, linkages and cables and things like that can start to seize. And that can prevent the choke from working or preventing the OPC lever or cable from activating. And another thing I do is just check the spark plug. I just remove the spark plug, have a look at the end, and sometimes I'll give it a quick test. I'll put the end of the plug back into the plug cap and ground out the other end of the plug at the ground electrode onto the engine's body and turn over the engine and just see that it sparks. You may need someone to just have a look to see if there's a spark, or if you're looking at the spark, you may need someone just to turn over the engine for you. These are some of the most common reasons that I've found why a lawnmower won't start at the beginning of a season. They're not all reasons. Just run through these common reasons and then you can go from there. I would just like to credit the Repair Specialist channel for supplying this video, and a link to that channel is down in the description below. The link will take you through to the channel where you'll find specialist advice on repairs and maintenance of garden machinery, along with great simplified explanations to give a better understanding of the topic. Well worth a visit.